Hi guys, and welcome back to Coding AFG. This is our third lecture of HTML, and in this lecture we are going to talk about the headings in HTML. So first, here I have a point that HTML provides not only plain paragraph text, but 6 separate header tags to indicate headings of various sizes and thicknesses. And enumerated as heading 1 through heading 6. And heading 1 has the largest and thickest text, while heading 6 is the smallest and thinnest down to the paragraph level. So what is basically a heading? What does it mean, like heading? Heading can be used to describe the topic they precede, and they are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. Headings support all the global attributes. So now what is basically a heading? Let me show you with an example. I'll just write the basic code of HTML here, and then I'll write here Coding AFG. And then I'll just open this file with the web browser as well. So in here, let me show you guys how to make a heading. So first you have to write this angle bracket, then H1, then angle bracket again. This is our H1. What? H1, heading 1. And in here, in the center, we have to write our own text. Anything we want, we can write it here. So I will write here Coding AFG, and let's see, and let's refresh our web page. So here it is, we have Coding AFG here as well. So this is the heading 1. So now what is the difference between the heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5 and heading 6? So the main difference, as I mentioned here, is their thickness and their size. Like this is the size and the thickness of H1. If I write the same text in H2, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6, and I'll just write this here as well, H2, 3, 4, 5 and this is H6. Now you will see what is the difference between all these headings. I'll just reload this page. Look at here guys, this is the difference between heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 and heading 4, heading 5 and this is heading 6. And another amazing thing, that the size of heading 6, I think, in the size of a paragraph is equal. But I'll just write a paragraph here as well, and let's see, is it correct? Oh, I think it's not that. So it's not equal, it's a bit bigger than H6 and a bit bigger than H5 as well, bigger than H4 as well. Yeah, it's kind of different. Yeah, the size is a bit different. So these are the headings in HTML that you guys can use, and here you can write anything. It's not necessary that you also have to write Coding AFG here. You can write anything you want in here in the center. Coding AFG I've written here. I'll just change it to Fida Muhammad Haksar, just like this, and we'll have it here. I'll just close this. So now we have it here. Anything we want to write, we can write it here. And if you guys want to copy the same here as well, so I'll do something like this. I'll show you guys HTML a shortcut for VS Code as well. Sorry, not HTML. Whenever you're just pressing Alt and selecting another place like this, so it is getting selected all. It's getting selected all of these parts. Like whenever I'm pressing backspace, so it will press backspace in all of these places. Whenever I'm writing something, so it will write it in all of these places like this. So now look at it, all of these are Fida Muhammad Khan. So this was the tutorial for headings in HTML. And you guys have to know this as well, that H1 defines the most important heading. If you're writing something with H1, it means this is the most important heading in your web page. If you're writing it in H6, so it means that it is the least important heading in your web page. And today I just wanted to show you guys some of my websites that I have made. So let me show you guys the Facebook clone as well here that I have made, and I have already made a video about it. This is the Facebook clone that I have made. This is looking same as Facebook. Here I have the logo, and here I have the search, here I have the icons, and here when I'm clicking on this moon icon, so it is getting it's changing the mood to dark, and when I'm clicking back here, so it will change the website mood to white or light color. This is the logo of my YouTube channel. Here I have these things, and here are some stories. Yeah, and I'm telling you guys as well that you also can do the same as I did. So you have to learn HTML very good. So whenever you have learned HTML, so then we will start CSS as well. So through CSS we can make designs like this. Yeah, so this was a simple project, and this is the code for this project. I'll show you guys the code as well. So this is the code, the HTML, just the HTML code is here, and it is more than how many pages? Let's not pages, how many lines? It's more than 1,000 lines, more than 1,000 lines you have to write. So one day you will be also a developer, and you will write thousands of lines of code. And this was just the HTML code. This is the CSS code as well here. So for CSS as well, we have written more than 819 lines of code, and for JavaScript just 6 lines. Yeah, so this was our third lecture. I'll see you in the next video.